give you my heart.
Hi guys, so the time that you're seeing this, I am back from the holiday, going on holiday to the North Coast 500, doing the North Coast 500, and this is my little pack with me. So I'm going to show you the bits that I have bought for this, and then we'll get into the actual packing process. This is the suitcase I am bringing. It's got daisies on it, and if you are new to my channel, I've got a dog called Daisy, so it's like so cute. But I've had this for years. The first thing I've got are a pair of socks. These are socks are from Primark, and to all the boys I've loved before. If you have not seen that Netflix series and movie, I recommend seeing it. And I've got some scrunchy bubble kind of thing. Again, if you're new to my channel, I'm obsessed with scrunchies. These are just letter stickers. I've actually used them already, some of them, for my scrapbook I'm going to show you, but you will see the inside of it on the vlogs that are coming up. So I got 2 packs, so there's 2 there and then 2 in here. And then I got them stickers. My sister has gave me these stickers, like line stickers. There's red, there's pink, and there's a white. But I got these, and then I got beach ones. I'm not going to use all of these. I just picked them up for a couple of the stickers. But I'm not going to use like the flying stick or anything like that, the plain. Then I got these little like question marks and like love heart. This is the scrapbook that I'm bringing. I got it from Hobbycraft, and it just says that. It says adventures await, but you will see the inside of this and what it will look like on the vlogs coming up. And then to go with that, I got for my birthday, I got this for my birthday. It prints out in black and white, and I've got white stickers that are actual stickers, and then I've got coloured paper. So this one's yellow. I've got pink in here right now. It's like pastel colours, and then this is blue. You can't really see it, but that will be going in my scrapbook of the photos. And then I got these jammies, again to all the boys I've loved before, and them two as a couple. I just love it. These 2 like shampoo and conditioner bottles. I got the squeezable ones because I don't trust myself on how much I'm going to actually shake out, so I just got the squeezable ones. I got this hat just in case it is really sunny. Got a hat. I got some new face masks because I've been loving purple lately and we need face masks. So I'm bringing these 2 and probably a couple more. Also I got these flip-flops, Adidas flip-flops. They're just like a purple again. I did get pink, like pastel pink, but then I needed to take them back because they weren't my size. Well, they were, but they were in junior. So my shoe size is a size 4, and I got the size 4 in a top, like a kid size. But these are the size 4 in an adults. These mini shampoo. This is the only shower gel or body wash I can use, because any other type of body wash, because of my psoriasis, the skin condition I've got, I can't use much like shower gels and stuff like that. But this is the one that I can use. I also got these sunglasses, again just in case it starts to be sunny. But I got them because I like the back of like the pink and the gold. Don't know if I've showed these, but I got these as well, scrunchies. The perfume I got for my birthday, I've got the full bottle, but it came with this like miniature thing my sister gave me, so I'm going to take that on holiday instead of the full bottle. This top, well, one, I loved the top. It was only £6. It was from New Look. But 2, I nice with like, I've got grey joggers, so I'm going to wear that for like a casual but cozy day. Got this new washing bag or like makeup bag, and I just love the print. But aside from that, I think that is everything I've got, what I bought for the holiday. Also, my sister gave me this bag to put like my scrapbook stuff in and stuff I want in the caravan, and like I can get straight away. So I am now on my bedroom floor with not a big pile, but a decent sized pile of clothes. I'm bringing these camo trousers. They're just easy to chuck on, and most of the time we're going to be near a beach or near a place to go on a walk. And then I'm bringing these black jeans. Got rips in, but they should be fine. And then my joggers are in the wash, but I'm gonna bring this top to go with it. That could go with the black jeans as well. And then I've got some leggings I can just chuck on. That's just a plain black top. And then I've got my new orange top, what says happiness with a love heart. Jammies I'm taking. I've got this new top as well. This was from New Look down to $7.99 to like £4, I think it's meant to say. I'm trying to take long tops because it's meant to be really cold, even though I've got two normal tops. I've got this white, just plain white top. And that is all the tops I'm taking. I think that's enough. I'll need to double check. So these are the jammies I'm taking, these Mickey Mouse ones. I've got like 4 jammies. I'm just putting it there for now. And then I've got my Love Actually jammies. So these have like little love hearts on. And then this has that scene of it. Love these because they're like, the tops are very baggy. And I've got my Saffron Barker Primark jammies. Pretty sure everybody knows these, but they've got like the S. And the bottoms are just stripy. They remind me of a candy cane. I want to bring a pair of shorts just in case. These are the bottoms of the new jammies I got. Except from getting some pair of shorts that I'm going to show you right now. These are the shorts I'm bringing. The lighting isn't that good. So wet like really bad. These are the shorts. Just in case it is sunny and I want to wear a pair of shorts. These are the socks, by the way, that one. I'm also bringing a vested top again, just in case. On top of, I'm going to get everything. These are the other ones. Them ones are so cute because they've got like lockets on them. And then there's these ones that said meet cute. I don't get that bit, but let me. Also got walking socks because we'll be probably walking everywhere, or like I don't think we'll be doing any hikes, but there is places that there is nice walks. So just in case my feet hurt. On nights that it is more chillier or we're just staying in the caravan for a day, I'm going to bring my jumpsuit, my loungewear jumpsuit. Types of shoes I'm bringing, and I'm obviously bringing like some coats and a rain jacket. I've got waterproof trousers as well, what go over your normal trousers, but everything like that what is waterproof is downstairs. I'm going to bring these shoes. I'm not bringing any of my expensive shoes. These were only from New Look. They weren't that much. They were like £10. So I'm bringing these, and then I'm bringing my walking shoes that are downstairs, and then I think that's all I need. I've got these flip-flops as well, so when we go to the beach I can just pop them on. But except from that, I don't think I need many shoes. Definitely not. So I'm just going to bring these ones, my walking shoes one, and my flip-flops. And that is pretty much everything I'm bringing. I don't know what jumper I'm going to bring. This is my YouTube jumper. I've got my purple jumper and my red jumper. But I might bring a jumper if we have room. But I might just wear this jumper on the day we're going. So this one or the purple one, I don't know. Most likely this one because it's way warmer than my purple one. And I can promote my YouTube channel. My sister got me this for my Christmas, by the way. She got it on Etsy, I'm pretty sure. And it just says that. It's got YouTube, the logo, and then Robyn. That was very bad. That's what it looks like. And then Robyn XO. Sorry about the lighting. Just in case you guys have not seen it, this is what I'm also taking, my gimbal, or DJI 04. The new one, I got this for my birthday, so I'm taking this to get amazing shots for the vlogs. The vlogs, I think I'm going to do 2 or 3, depending how much footage I get. You'll get all like holiday footage this week. Just to explain that, just in case you guys want to know how I planned it. On the last vlog, when I'm coming home, you will see me like talking about everything. Like, I know for a fact I'm going to enjoy it, but like talking about the scenery and everything. So just watch out for the vlogs coming up, and if you did like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you personally to me in the future when I actually talk to you guys. But when you're seeing this, I'll see you next video on the vlogs. Bye!